most times, youths, a lot of them, they will be saying, they like Tiwa Savage. They like Tokemakiwa. Look at Tiwa Savage gives. Let me tell you something. Either you are listening to Tiwa Savage song, either you are listening to Olamide song, either you are listening to Davido song. That one is even going to fire. There's nothing anybody can tell me. Either you are watching Wizkid, you are going to fire. Let me tell you something. 500 years ago, before they brought me into Nigeria, I was in California. Let me tell you, me and Lucifer will stand here. Obasanjo will sit like this. If I go like this, Lucifer come and bury the day one day. That time, if I tell you that the Obasanjo that you are looking today, Obasanjo won't be that, but suppose won't mommy now. Won't be that. Let me tell you, Obasanjo was not created like that before. Obasanjo was like this. A minimum Lucifer sorrow, la saw the Obasanjo. A lot of times I look at some of them will even be shouting, Rihanna, Beyonce, and that one too will be dancing. Okay, my either you are listening to Rihanna or Beyonce, trust me, you are going to fire.
Stop calling my phone. I do big men, strictly big men, only big men. Oh, stop stressing me now. I beg, lose my number, job.
Now, let me tell you another thing. If you are a married man, or you are a married woman, and you are alive, they snatch your husband, you are the one that is going to F.
Are you there? What's going on here? In fact, I want to send some. Hello, Freaky. You are doing well.
Listen. Either you are a politician and you are not spending our money as you are supposed to spend it. Because see, I told you about me, sir. Oh, my don't know any fire.
Hey, hello. Excuse me. I don't know, man.
I'm not sure.
Either I am normal or not, I am going to. Oh, sorry, you are going to fire.
Don't excuse me. I don't talk too much.
I know.
I'm a man of action. Nobody here will tell me that they don't like their account to be freaky.
You know.
Put your account number here.
I just sent it 200,000.
Either she put her account number or she doesn't put her account
just sent you 500,000.
She's going to wear.
See,
500,000.
You know, I came here with the mindset that I want to freaky account of all the freakies. If you are a freaky here and you need my money, let me hear you say, all right. You are doing well.
You are a freaky and you answer hoy, you are going to fire.
Hey, excuse me. No problem. I'm going to freaky your account. But at the same time, you already know that you have to vote for me when I come out and say, oh, I want to, you get it now? So, in case you need my money, put your account number here.
Me? Either you give me
500,000.
Oh no, my bad. Sometimes you
50
know that
million.
Is that mouse?
either I collect it or I do not collect it. I'm going to fire.
So you will rather collect it. So, excuse me, no need to collect your PVC. Don't collect PVC. Just vote for me. We are doing well.
No. If you are in Nigeria and you did not collect your PVC, you are going where? Fire. Please collect your PVC.
Don't collect it.